And what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be going over the Pittsburgh Deluxe lens removal system. With this product, it provides you this little pad with this Velcro adhesive to attach your sanding disc. They offer you the 500, 800, and 3000 grit pads, which is awesome. And also this polishing pad for when you're done with it. Also includes polishing cream that you use on your headlights when you're done. As you can see, I already have the car masked up. I'm doing this on a 2015 Honda Pilot. This is probably by far the best headlight restoration kit that I bought. And I forgot where I got it from. I think I got it from Harbor Freight. Oh yeah, I did. But it's a great tool. Has your sanding disc, has the multiple grits that you use to go from a little rough to smoothing it all out. Go ahead and take a microfiber cloth, wipe it down, see the areas that you hit and the areas that you didn't get. And you just want to keep working it through until you get a nice hazy lens all the way across. Alright, here's how it looks with the 500 grit all done and sanded with. As you can see, it's super hazy now, but once we start working in the higher grit disc pads, it'll start clearing out that lens and all the hard scratch surfaces that is done. But here's how it looks on the first 500 grit compared to the passenger. Alright, now we're taking off the 500 disc pad. We're throwing on the 800 grit. Alright, here's how it looks with the 800 grit pass. Starting to smooth out all the swirls and scratches from the 500. Alright, now we're going to be using the 3000 grit sanding disc. Alright, just got done with the 3000 grit on the headlight. This is how it looks like so far. Starting to clear up a bit. Now onto the polishing stage. But yeah, this is how 3000 looks. It got rid of all the 500, 800 grit scratches. And it's starting to look a lot more clear. It looks a little hazy up there just because the sunlight's kind of beaming down on it. But as of right now, this is how it looks compared to the passenger side. I I've actually ran out of the polishing cream that came with the kit. So what I'm using as a substitute is this Magnum Luminous polish from others. It also works great. I'm just doing this until the clear coat comes in. I ordered it online, so I'm just waiting for it to currently come in through the mail. But once I get that in, I'll make sure to capture all that for you guys to see too. Alright, and this is how it looks after it being polished with that Magnum Lumen polish. The next step process, I will be wiping it down with alcohol, clearing the whole area up, taking off the masking tape, remasking it up, and then spray clear coat over the headlight. That way it seals the headlight as it is right now, and it protects it from UV rays, from less oxidation onto the plastic lens of this headlight. So here's how it looks currently after it's all sanded and polished. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe it down with a little bit of alcohol and then get ready for clear coat. Here's the clear coat that I decided to go with. It's the 2K Clear Glamour 3680061. It's a two-part paint. So basically you take this cap off right here, and then you see that little insert right there, and that part you just stick it right on like this, and then you push it in, and then it activates the two part in this clear coat, and then you shake it up for about a minute or two. All right, we're going to be working on the second coat. Here's how the second coat looks like so far. It's going on nice. Usually you would want to do this indoors just so you don't get no breeze or debris onto your clear coat. But yeah, so far so good. Here's the third and final coat. I went a little heavier than I did with the first two coats, and now I'm just gonna let this one sit and cure. I already got it all masked up, everything's all covered up, so when I wet sand it and polish it, it won't go anywhere. I'm only doing this because I just washed the car too, so definitely don't want to do that again. But anyways, we're gonna start sanding it down with 3000 grit and then polish it out, get rid of all of the orange peel. As you can already see, I don't know if it could catch it, but I'm already starting to get into the orange peel. As you can see right here, I'm just sanding it down, making it all smooth again. All right, I just got done sanding down the headlights. Next step, we're gonna polish it. Got rid of majority, if not all, of the orange peel on the headlights. And a good way to check it too, you just take your fingers and you rub it through, and any kind of imperfections, you'll feel it. All right, finally done. Here's the finished product of my headlight restoration. That wraps up this episode. Hope you guys are content with the results as I am. I'm pretty satisfied with the results that came out from this restoration. Couldn't have been any better. If you guys have any more tips or suggestions, feel free to put it down in the comments below. I can always use those. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Out.